Kenyatta has challenged global financial institutions to ramp up investments in agriculture as part of their support for African economies. In a pre-recorded video statement delivered Thursday evening during the virtual inaugural United Nations Food System Summit held on the margins of the ongoing 76th United Nations General Assembly, the President urged financial institutions to support the innovation and design of appropriate mechanisms that will help eliminate risks and losses in Africa's agricultural sector.
To support transformation of our economies, I would like to challenge our global financial institutions to innovate and to design appropriate de-risking and financing instruments for increased investment in agriculture. We are also engaging youth in agriculture. The launch of our 4K clubs and our young farmers clubs will engage the youth in the food production cycle, ignite their passion for agriculture. We are also increasing access to nutritious foods and diversifying the diet by bringing back forgotten and neglected traditional foods, investing in fisheries, aquaculture, livestock, fruit and vegetable farming.